Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well and having a fantastic week. I just want to give you a little bit of insight why I chose to do this makeup. I had a neck fusion a few years ago and I'm having issues with my neck above that fusion. I had to have a spinal block done a few weeks back and I'm still struggling with energy. This look in this video is being pushed out in September and I wanted to get a jump start on Halloween, some more quick and more affordable looks, and I wanted to bring someone with me, so let me introduce to you R.Lizzy_horror. She's on Twitter, also known as X. She's a special effects dabbler herself. So I reached out to her and she so graciously agreed to do this collaboration with me. We kept it Ghost Girl. So I hope you enjoy it and let's just go ahead and get into it. To begin, I'm using a white mixing pigment for foundation. This is from LA Girl. I chose to keep this look more skin-like in texture instead of that stark white like clown makeup that you get that's either grease or water-based paints. So if you're going to do this look, and the technique that I'm going to use is going to require water to make the tears drain from the face, so I would stay away from water-based paints, but you should be okay using cream or grease paints for this look. This foundation lets me blend the eyeshadows a little bit easier than using the other options. The inspiration behind this look, I'm thinking The Grudge, The Ring, so I could keep the colors to black and white and have dark hair. I also wanted this look to be a little bit quicker for Halloween. I'm gearing up to do a lot of looks and I needed some that are a little bit quicker and a lot less expensive than some of the other looks. You can also do this look without having to use white at all. You can still use the shadow and put it on just your normal skin, or use a normal foundation and it'll still give you the same effect. Today I am using ColourPop's Blue Moon palette, picking an icy blue from this eyeshadow palette. If you want to purchase this, I do have a link in the description. It's coming from Amazon, so I do make a little bit of money if you choose to purchase it through the links that are provided. I would greatly appreciate it. It will help support the channel and bring you more looks, so look for those in the description below. And I am taking this blue and I'm pushing it into the eyebrow bone, past the corner of the eye, and up underneath the eye. I want this blue to pop slightly past the black that I'm going to put in, and this will give it more dimension. I'm contouring my nose, putting a little up under each side, and I'm contouring the cheekbone. With a bigger brush, I go in and pick up that same color and push that into the hairline. Just a little bit of black eyeliner to get rid of that natural waterline to make this eye look even darker. Using black eyeshadow from the ColourPop's Blow and Smoke palette, I cover my eyelid. I push that color up under the eye, past the eye corner on each side, so the outer corner and the inner corner, being sure not to cover up that blue. And I'm also using this as a shadow to the actual bleeding of the black tears for this look. So just a little bit of a reminder so I know where to put those streaks later. It's just a template I like to use, so you'll see me use shadow and highlights to basically put a good guide on the face about where I want to draw in and make more definition into the details. I think it adds more dimension to the actual bleeding tears that are black. Using more black to enhance the collarbone, I place dark shadows above and below to get that collarbone to pop out, and also carry the black into the neckline, making sure that I contour past my collar line of the shirt that I'm going to be wearing for this look. I continue to build up the black up under the eye and the shadow for the black tears, just making sure that I have saturation and everything matches on each side. I'm also taking that black and going up over that blue contour. So on the outer corner of the eye, the inner corner of the eye, the contouring on the nose, up under the lip, and I carry this color into the hairline. One thing I do enjoy about this look is there is no precision unless you just want to be precise. It is very forgiving, so I think it's a beginner friendly look to do. It's very fun to play with lights and shadows. It gets you used to contouring and being mindful about the look from the very beginning to the end of the process, so it's just a fun one to do. Now I'm taking a non-waterproof, very thick mascara. I just want to place more darkness around the eyes, and also this mascara will bleed once water gets onto it, so I'm going to use that to enhance the effect of the black tears that are going to run from the eye. I am using my watercolors from Rlizzy Beauty, and I will have that linked in the description below. I go in with a brush and I get that saturated more onto the waterline and into the crease, placing the color up under the eye as well. And I go through and I contour where I want these lines coming from the eye to be. Just a little bit more of a guide because we are going to use water to make that color bleed. I buff those lines out a little bit to get rid of harsh lines, and then going in with some water starting from the inner corner. Put just a little bit of water and make it bleed. If it's not bleeding the way you want it to, just hold your dropper or your brush and pull it down in the direction you want it to go. It will then follow that water line naturally. For more definition, I'll go back in and define the lines just a little bit more to get the overall effect. I want the blood tears, the black, to fall and be a little bit more prominent than the rest of the look. So just a little bit of finesse, whatever you would like it to look like, it's up to you. There is no set rule. If you like it lighter, that's great. If you want it darker, you can do that as well. And I'm going in with, this is actually the same eyeliner, and I'm outlining my lips because I want the watercolor to stay, but I also want it to bleed, so I don't want to lose the definition of the lip itself. Using the water, I go in the area I want the lip color to bleed past the line. I use black eyeshadow to set the lip area, and I go back in with a smaller brush and the liquid liner to define the drip. Using my waterliner, I go in and carry this look up under the chin down into the chest. I use more water to make those colors bleed. Here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today and this collaboration. Be sure to check out R.Lizzy_horror on Twitter to see more of her fantastic looks. Thank you for joining me today. And if you'd like to see sneak peeks, behind the scenes footage, or vote on my next look, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Those links are below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.